Hey YouTube, this is TNT Barbecue with the Southern Explosive Taste. Today we're going to make a video with the kids because today I don't got a whole lot of time to cook dinner, so I decided to do smoked burgers on the grill. Hashtag Pit Boss Nation. That's what's up, right kids?
Yeah, let's go. Alright, today we're going to talk about our sponsor. We're going to be using some of the burger seasoning jalapeno broth seasoning from Pit Boss. Hashtag Pit Boss Nation.
Hashtag all right.
Pit Boss Grills.
So before we get started, we're going to show y'all that we got 80-20 ground beef. Show them the ground beef teeth. Alright, it's already in the bowl. So then next up, we're going to take some Lipton onion soup mix and mix that in with the hamburger along with a little bit of cold water. Now the trick is getting these two to work together without arguing and spilling stuff on each other. You can smell that mix. It smells so good.
I really do.
Alright. Alright, see, now pour a little bit of water at a time. Alright, that's good. Alright, so next you guys need to mix it with your hands. All the way over. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. Alright, Gladys, can you pour a little bit more water in there for them? Just a little bit. Alright, that's good. Keep mixing, son. You got this. Mix it really good. We added about 2 packages of the onion Lipton soup, and we're probably adding about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of water along with the Lipton soup mix, so it mixes in really well with the hamburger. Alright, that's good, son. Alright, now Gladys, I need you to put in some Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to put about probably 1/2 cup of that inside the hamburger mix. Go ahead, pour it, Gladys. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep shaking, keep shaking, keep shaking. Now the point of putting the liquid in for the hamburger is to create moisture while we're smoking the burgers. Keep going a little bit more and stop. Alright, mix it, son. There you go. You notice he's mixing, he's flipping the meat, and he's making sure that it gets in all the little creases and crevices. Alright, so next, after we get done mixing the meat, we're going to start patting them out, and then we'll season them one more time with a little bit of salt and pepper and some of that jalapeno broth seasoning from Pit Boss Nation, and then we'll put them on the smoker.
Salt and pepper on the burgers, and we're just going to lightly dust it because we don't want to over season it.
Yes, that's true. You want the burger to kind of speak for itself, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then for my dad and my brother, we're just going to lightly season this too.
Now the reason why everybody's got a little bit of a cough is because those peppers, those dry peppers, are kicking. And so because they got such a kick in the air, it's causing everybody's nostrils to tickle. So it looks really good though, and the seasoning tastes really good on the burgers, I'm sure.
This is in competition pellets for Pit Boss, and we're using the Pit Boss grill. So I'm about to put these burgers on the smoker real quick. Ooh, it's pretty hot.
Hurry up till you start to rain.
Yeah, right. And I have to separate me and my dad's burgers because we had spicy stuff. My mom told me that she doesn't want to get it cross-contaminated.
Yeah.
Right, so we got the burgers on the Pit Boss grill, on the pellet grill at 250 degrees. So, alright, now we're about to shut it, and we'll see it when we get back inside for taste test. We're back, and we're about to taste test this burger. But before we test this burger, you have 7 seconds to click the notification bell and subscribe. Alright, let's count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, if you guys made it in time, click the comment down below.
Yep, there you go.
Alright, so let's test this burger. It's juicy. Shish. Alright. Look at that. It's juicy and it has a nice smoke ring.
Can you taste the peppers in there?
This burger is actually actually delicious. Like, not even gonna lie. Super juicy, has nice smoke ring. These texture just delicious.
That's what I'm talking about, T. Alright, so if you enjoyed our video, make sure you check out Pit Boss Nation videos, TNT barbecue videos, and our best friend out there in YouTube land, Loud No Hippie Barbecue. Check out those videos. You'll see a lot of variety, a lot of things on the smoker, and some things that's not on the smoker that you'll enjoy. Now keep in mind that this meal was a quick and easy fix for me tonight. I wanted to do something in about 40 minutes or less, and this hit the spot. So thank you for subscribing to TNT Barbecue. God bless you, and God bless America. We out of here.
Wait, do I tell like what he's doing with
Alright, hold on.
No, everyone knows how to do it.
Because I thought you said
Tell them that we patting out the burgers, get them ready for the grill.
so
Now we're gonna
he's patting them?
No, we're going to pat out the burgers.